In this video, let me teach you on how to fix iCloud sign out not available due to restrictions. Let's start by opening the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the screen time and open it. In the screen time page, scroll down to restrictions, then tap content and privacy restrictions. Now, if you have this content and privacy restriction enabled, then simply disable it to turn it off. Now, go back to settings page, then tap your name at the top. In the Apple account page, scroll down to the bottom, and you should now be able to sign out your Apple ID or iCloud account. If the issue persists, then you can do this one. Go back to the settings page and open again the screen time. Scroll down to the bottom, then you should see the turn off app and website activity. Simply tap it. Now confirm your action by tapping again the turn off in the pop-up. After doing that, then go back to the settings page and open your Apple account profile at the top. Scroll down and try to sign out your iCloud account. That should fix the issue.